Hello my loves, I have got the Monster Under the Bed Halloween card for you here. It's got a pocket on the front with a little ghost in there, a little bit of writing space if you want it. You've got lots of writing space on the back here with this spider and the spider's web and the under the bed floorboard scene. We've got the words dreams come true, nightmares too. It's not in your head, it's under the bed. And we can open this first panel here and we can see our little vampire boy sitting up in bed, frightened of what the noise that he's just heard. And then we open up to see what's under the bed and we've got a pop-up monster and the word boo. Great bit of fun. Come with me and we'll put this together. So here are the bits for my Monster Under the Bed card cut out. Reverse print with the sheet that you get in the kit. Let's go. I'm going to start by folding my card in half. I think I'll do that by hand. So I get it all nicely lined up. And then we have the front of the bed. We've got a score to make where this white tab meets our little Dracula boy who's afraid in his own bed even though he's a vampire. I know, right? Fold that piece inwards and we're going to glue this piece under there. So we're going to glue it to the back. There we are. And now when I open this piece up, I've got this kind of, in effect, I'm going to have like a double pop-up because he's sitting up in bed. He's lying down asleep in bed. He hears a noise. Oh, what's that noise? And he sits up in bed. I've got a little bit of unwanted paper down there. Let's chop that off. Right, now for the actual pop-up monster. And here he is, all ghoulish. We're going to score across the bottom of his feet, nice and straight, if I can. And fold that so the white sides or the backing sides face. So that's him. Here is the other element to our pop-up, and I'm going to score where the white meets the black on both sides, and then it's up to you whether you want to have this piece facing or whether you want to have this piece facing. I'm going to go for the black, I think. Let's have a look. So when I open up my card, this is my under the bed scene here. My monster is going to stand here. This piece is going to glue onto the back of our monster. So you can see there, that's what it looks like with the black. This is what it looks like with that. I don't know which side to go for. I think I'll go for the black. Right, so I'm going to start off by gluing one of these tabs onto the back of our very terribly scary monster. Get it nice and straight. It doesn't really matter where you put it, but straight is quite important. There we go, that's one piece glued on. And now I'm going to glue him onto the back. So I don't know if you can see on this angle very well. I'm going to stand the card up at 90 degrees. I wonder if I can do that on the side. That might be better, mightn't it? Stand my card up at 90 degrees and I'm going to place him where he needs to go, like that. And I'm going to glue both sides, both pieces on together. If you're not feeling quite brave enough, you can do the back piece first and then the base. But using glue rather than a tape runner, it's going to work just fine for you because you've got wiggle room. So place him at 90 degrees like this, and then before this dries we're going to squish it down, and that will determine how things are working I need to pop him more off to one side. There we go. So when he squishes down nicely, like that, you know you've got it sorted. Open it up again because you don't want that glue drying, like that, and there he is. And when it closes, as you can see, he actually takes up all of that space. He's great. And now all we need to do now is to embellish. We've got some embellishments on the front here. We've got a lovely ghost. He's designed to go on the front here somewhere. I've got a boo. I'm going to put that inside. And I've got dreams come true, nightmares too. It's not in your head, it's under the bed. So I'm thinking I'm going to put those two on the front. And then I'm going to put this boo underneath like that. I love that there. That's going there, definitely. You can mess about with your placement of these little bits here. There. This piece was designed to go down here. So I'm going to pop that on. And this piece is going on the front, along with my little ghost. And I could actually make that into a pocket so that he sits in there and he's removable. Let's do that. That's fun, isn't it? Let's ink this edge as well while I'm here. I haven't inked my other edges because I'm a ninny and I get carried away and I get very excited about constructing things. I often forget, but by all means, if you want to ink your edges first for a much nicer finish, you go ahead and do that. And you can glue these pieces completely down if you want. But I love to make a pocket where I can make a pocket. So I'll pop that there. And I'll ink my little ghosty ghost. You had a bit of a problem with one of his arms, but I'm not printing it out again. It'll do fine for the video. And then I'm going to pop my little ghost in there and he can live there as a little tag. And you've got a little writing space there if you want a little writing space. So there we go. That is the Monster Under the Bed card complete. We've got dreams come true, nightmares too. Our little vampire boy sits up in bed. It's not in your head, it's under the bed. And then we open up to reveal our monster under the bed. I hope you like that. A great bit of fun. See you next time, guys.